Hey guys, if Miracast is not working on Windows 11 and you can't cast your screen to another device, don't worry, this is a common problem and can be fixed in a few steps. First, make sure your PC and the target device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Press Windows plus R, type div mgmt.msc, and press Enter to open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics driver and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows install any available updates. Next, expand Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver as well. After updating both drivers, restart your PC. If Miracast still doesn't work, press Windows plus R, type Services, and press Enter. Find WLAN AutoConfig, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Start. If it's stopped, then apply and OK. After these steps, try connecting again, and Miracast should now work properly. If this video helped you fix Miracast not working on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.